Welcome to Chelsea Old Town Hall, here in the Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea, for this very special occasion, their marriage ceremony. Do you take Bernie to be your lawful husband? Do you promise to love, cherish and respect him, and to be loyal, faithful and kind to him for the rest of your lives together? You turn and face each other.
Alam mo, Virgin.
So I will now ask you to say your final vows, and these vows are very important because this will make it official if you will be legally married after you say these words, so no pressure. Bernie, if you can repeat after me, repeat and Carmel. I, Bernie.
I, Bernie.
Take you, Carmel.
Take you, Carmel.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
I, Carmel.
I, Carmel.
Take you, Bernie.
Take you, Bernie.
To be my wedded husband.
To be my wedded husband.
Well, we're not quite finished yet, but I think that deserves a round of applause.
Stand the other side of the Carmel. All right, both of you get the witnesses in. Right, I'm going to go away this side.
Yes, so the witnesses, you may return to your seats. Thank you so much.
Sorry, Kyle.
Lalamig ka?
Oh yeah. Are you shy? Sorry.
Ganito lang.
Saan magbitbit ano? Si Leia.
Excuse me.
Is kay Leia daw niyo? Apa?
Ma'am, sorry. Ma'am, okay lang po ako sa pag-train. Thank you.
Kelsey yung card. Ano po iPhone mo?
Si Ninong Noli. Wala pang tulog, partida walang tulog.
Sorry, I have an extension. Yes. Ha?
Susunod na kasal.
Basta sponsor ka.
Why not? Isang litso lang.
Walang problema, te. Ay, ano.
Okay lang po mag-kiss kayo? One more po. Okay lang si baby, nasa gitna po.
Sige, anak, dito. Come here. Stand up here in the middle.
Let's see. Ayun ba?
Pwede kasama lahat?
Opo.
Badi.
Lahat po ng cellphone natin, labas natin.
Parang pinipicturean po natin.
Pinapicturean nyo po. Tapos dito po kayo titingin, sir. iPad lang yung dala ko eh.
Hawakan mo lang na.
Ingat sa isang kiss po kayo, kiss po kayo. Excited na Laya. Palakpakan tayo. Thank you so much. Ilang kiss ka na ka?
Parang hindi po kayo masaya eh. Masaya po pag nag-kiss sila. Pag nag-kiss po ang couple, dapat.
Pero pag mag-ilang tayo, hindi ganito.
Sige, may dadaan pa ako.
Boss, okay.
Dito ka sa middle.
Ayun sa camera, oh.
Okay, hello baby. Hello, 1, 2. Just keep smiling na.
Smile, Zeki!
Hello.
Zeki, smile!
Hello, Cocomelon. Cocomelon. Carmen.
Alaya ka ba? Share ko yan to her. Pag-linking na ako. Iba may video na kayo. Basta ganitong kulay nila. Dito ka, dito.
Siya hindi ka gross. Ninong, ano naman po? Ninong naman po muna. Then magkakasama po lahat ninong. Unahin natin magkasama bago. Para umaalis na. Ah, sige, sige. Ninong at saka ninang. Ninong at saka ninang. Dito lahat ng ninang. Okay, 1, 2. Game, alis na ninang, ninong naman po.
Sorry. Family daw po daw. Pamilya na po. Pamilya sa sunod po eh.
Okay, 1, 2, smile.
Oh my gosh.
That's okay, that's okay. That's okay.
Sure, that's it.
1, 2. One,
Kaya hindi pa tayo tapos.
Racing?
Ate, parang ang robot.
Family of Carmel. Go, 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 go. Ano lang po tayo, medyo complex po tayo. Sige lang. Sige sa anak.
Mamaya na tayo doon pakuha. May space na kayo.
Wala pang problema.
Nice seeing you, Paul. Thank you. Thank you. Zaki! Zaki! Can I see what you're watching? Can I see what you're watching? Can I? Look, I have here. Ato ganit siya.
Wala ni cards eh. Sa cellphone na.
Huwag na kay Parikoy, huwag na kay Parikoy. Si Parikoy, wag na si Papa.
Sorry.
Okay lang po, bibigyan ko po yung ano. Ay! Ma'am, okay lang. Papasok po kayo. Okay, in my 1, 2, 3, pasok po. Thank you.
Okay na po, may sasakyan pa.
Dito na kami ngayon sa closest hotel. Dito kami kakain.
Hello po.
What?
Yung mga abay, bridesmaid.
Hello, vlog.
Mga gurangis.
Ay, ba't di siya eh?
Ano ito?
Ano?
Dito kami. Anong oras ang kainan? 12 pa? Honeymoon muna yung bagong kasal. Wow. Hindi pala dapat yun. Ang mga ninang. Oh, ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon ah. Sos, grabe.
Ang ganda.
Grabe ang daming ano eh. Ang daming ano yun? Perlas. Perlas.
Kakakitaan mo yan eh. Hindi masakit sa paa. Try naman. Carry pa.
Magkano ang isang pearl niyan?
10 pounds.
10 pounds.
Yeah.
Oh, may mga ilang ba yan? Mga 100. May 110, 20, 30, 40. Oh, may 100. Hindi 100 pounds yan. So, kulang-kulang 10,000. Yung kabila pa, di mga... Aba, meron ka rin dyan 15,000, no? Sapatos pa lang yan. Yung ano pa lang, perlas pa lang yun, ha?
Rolex.
Ay, nako, Rolex pa.
Rolex.
Ano?
Uy, kuya, DIY namin.
Rolly raw. Rolex yan. Ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex.
Magkano? 5 pounds? 12,000 pesos?
12,000 ano? Pounds. 12,000 pounds. Saan ka pa? Tapos nakabag. Tapos nasaan yung iyong ano? Slim bag. Nasaan yung slim bag mo? Nasaan yung slim bag mo?
Nando sa chair ko.
Andoon.
But she knows me. Sino ba?
Naka yung
With the baby.
yung kanyang slim bag nakalagay pa sa ano? Sa locker. Pero mo ang kasal alas 10. Dumating ay alas 11:30. Tapos na ang kasal. sauce. Wow. Welcome to our wedding, Bernie and Carmel. Wow. Ayan, wine. Gusto nyo wine? Tea. Juice. Tea. Ganito lang mag-celebrate dito ng kasalan. Mga ganyan yan, nakatayo. Ganyan talaga mga style ng mga puti sa mga kasalan. Walang upuan. Ayan, no? Pika-pika dito. Ayan. Ito. Ayan. Ito, kinakain dito. Ito. Itong kalabasa kinakain ng hilang. Ay, tutupo ito? Oo. Kinakain din ito, di ba? Kinakain din ito. Ha? Oo, pwede. Oo, i-try mo nga muna. I-try muna. Ha? Kinakain daw ito. Try muna. At merong ito pa, meron pang kalabasang puti, oh. Yan, oh, ibang klaseng kalabasa mga puti. Tapos ayan, oh. Ito, oh, biskotso. Ayan, ganito, pika-pika. Ganito rito. Tapos wine. Juice. Uy, gwapo ni. Gwapo. Oh, ayan, gwapo ni Apam. Wine. Red wine. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Talagang style ano, style puti. Ito rito kasi ang mga Breton. Bango ng chicken. Chicken. Mamaya kainan pa rin. Asus! May pa-wine-wine din naman inumin. Sige nga, lunok. Ayaw naman inumin.
Okay, video.
Abay, ininom nga. Ininom nga. Sarap. Sarap. Yun na eh. Isang lunok lang eh. Lasing na.
Lasing na ako.
Akin na Chelsea. Yan, paulahan lang. Mami,
One's left outside, but I want to make sure all our friends are sitting down because we are receiving a standing ovation this early. They're gonna hold themselves. Remember you, okay? So that's the sound. That's the theme today. It's a beautiful day to be married this afternoon. Hep hep! I just want to set the music right now, ladies and gentlemen. I want to make sure we are all seated. We got some paparazzi friends over there. Just wait. What about this side? All the friends in the West Wing, are you ready? All the bridesmaids, are you ready? All the groomsmen, are you ready? Let's keep it loud, and ladies and gentlemen, we are live and loud. And right now, don't look at me. Look at that doorway right there, because they're about to enter this afternoon. Let's play the music, and let's marry and gentlemen. Stand up and welcome them. Keep clapping, guys. Say it. Wow, look at this. Here we go, look. Keep clapping your hands, everybody. I want to hear you. All right. Here we go, keep dancing. I believe you can dance here now. Come on, keep dancing. Quick love. Quick barrels. Come on, girls. Keep.
You know how much I love you. You know how much we love you and how much we appreciate all your efforts, all your hard work, all your love, everything that you have done for us, for our family, and sa mga gagawin mo pa sa amin ng family mo. And I pray to God na sana bago kami magkaroon ng pangalawang anak, kasal na kami. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm 4 months pregnant. And it's such a blessing from God and answered prayer as well. We're married before this baby will, see the world. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much, and I love you. Isa na lang ang hihingin ko, na sana mahawakan ko ng buong sakol mo. Please remit your salary, whole salary. So I will handle everything.
Ladies and gentlemen.
And thank you so much. I love you so
much. The Regal Kids. Ladies and gentlemen. It's now Mr. and Mrs. A. Chavez officially, ladies and big round of applause, everybody! Come on, what a moment to shine! Not just a vow, but also a revelation. Is it your first time to tell the world that you're 4 months pregnant?
Yes.
Amazing. Let's give her a clap all the time. Epic! Alright, so right now, it's just a quiet, wonderful blessing, and your wonderful audience right here. Please sit down for the first time. We would like to give your legs some rest. Surprise! Up under the sky, yeah. 200 degrees is what they call me, Mr. Fahrenheit. Turn on the speed of light. I wanna make you supersonic, man. I think you're funny. Don't stop me now. I wanna have a good time. I'm at my ball. Don't stop me now.